You may know my earlier work, AdvantageXI by Market Systems, Realvolve, workflow automation training, or just seen my name around real estate technology for many years. I've spent more than 3 decades building systems for real estate agents and teams. SAM is what Cody and I built next. Traditional CRM and workflow tools solved real problems. They helped you organize information, standardize processes, and automate planned steps. But you were still the engine. You still had to understand the full situation, decide what it meant, connect the tools, start the work, maintain the automation, and remember what needed attention next. Your software held information, but you were still holding the system together. Modern AI has made it possible to approach things differently, not by bolting AI onto an old CRM, but by building a connected system from the ground up. SAM works in a loop: context, decision, action, system. It understands what's happening in your business, the people, the conversations, properties, dates, processes. It helps determine what should happen next. It prepares or carries the work forward with your review when it matters, and it connects the actions back to an ongoing routine or process so progress doesn't die as a one-off task. Think about a contract date that moves. A traditional setup, the date changes in one place while everything else stays tied to that old reality. Tasks, messages, reminders, handoffs. That's not a calendar problem, it's a continuity problem. SAM was built so the system can adjust with the business. And you don't have to stop everything just to reconstruct the plan by hand. Now, you don't have to start from scratch. Bring the systems you use today, and maybe one process that depends too heavily on you. Cody or I will help you map out what should be preserved, what could be rebuilt, and whether SAM is the right next step. With SAM's AI, it can build the routines for you using your systems. Book a founders-led system review built around your business.